The St. Louis County Police Department has issued an Amber Alert for a child abduction that occurred at 11231 Marbella Drive, St. Louis, Missouri on August 10, 2023 at 7:28 p.m. Abducted was Aaliyah Abernathy, black female, age 2. Suspect vehicle is a teal Hyundai Elantra bearing Missouri registration 06E. Vehicle license plate is a temporary registration beginning with 06E. Suspect is a black male. Last seen wearing a black ski mask and black clothing. Suspect is armed with a handgun. Suspect is a black male. Last seen wearing a black ski mask and black clothing. Suspect is armed with a handgun. Victim Aaliyah Abernathy is 3 feet 0 inches tall, 30 pounds, has black hair and brown eyes. Last seen wearing an unknown shirt and pink leggings with white polka dots. Victim has hair styled in a ponytail with pink and purple accessories. Victim was abducted by 2 black males during a home invasion after an assault. Please call 911 or St. Louis County Police Department at 636-529-8210 if you have any information pertaining to this alert.